Salubonani. We are continuing with our topic, General Arithmetic, Understanding Numbers. Our lesson today is reciprocals of numbers. A reciprocal of a number is the value obtained by dividing 1 by that number. For example, reciprocal of 4 is 1 divided by 4. So siyathatha inumber le sifuna reciprocal yayo siyingenise ku1 siyidivide ku1. Hayi ngithemba kuyazwakala, ngizama ukubeka ngesindebele but kuzabonakala singenza ama examples. So also furthermore, if a number is multiplied by a power of 10, its reciprocal is divided by that power of 10. I think ukuze kuzwisiseke kuzamele sibe siyenze i-example. Let's take for example 0.04. We know from junior school ukuthi 0.04 ngu-4 over 100. If you want to express 0.04 abe yi-fraction uba ngu-4 over 100. So thina sifuna i-reciprocal ka-0.04. So kuzamele sibhale sithi reciprocal of 0.04 is equal to, so iba ngubani? Iba ngu 1 divided by 0.04. Angithi sithe divide asithatha inumber yaneleyo si divide ku1 siyingenise ku1, iyo i-reciprocal. But iba ngu siya invert u4 over 100 abe ngu 100 over 4, i-answer ethi iba ngu 25. Ngithemba lokhu siyakwazi from a junior high school, form 1 form 2. So i-statement lesana sithi i-reciprocal ka-0.04 inxa ngu-25, kuthi ukuthi eka 0.4 singamultiply 0.04 by 10 uba ngu-0.4. So i-reciprocal ka-0.4 kumele siyaba simultiply, then i-reciprocal i-answer kumele si-divide. So i-reciprocal ka-0.04 nxa ngu-25, then eka 0.4 iba ngu-25 divided by 10. Everything kukhona ku-table leyana just to make you see that rule there. But let's do example A. Reciprocal of 2, siyathatha 2 simdivide ku1. So the reciprocal of 2 is equal to 1 over 2, which is equal to 0.5. But kumele sikubhale ngendlela right. So kumele sithi reciprocal of 2 is equal to 1 over 2, which is equal to 0.5. Then reciprocal of 0.2 iba ngubani? Ngu-1 over 0.2. Kodwa u-0.2 siyakwazi ukuthi ngu-2 over 10. So sesingabhala ukuthi reciprocal of 0.2 is 1 divided by 0.2. Nxa ule calculate uyahluphanje 1 divided by 0.2. Nxa ungela then expand it. U-0.2 2 over 10. So kufanele ukuthi sithi is equal to 1 divided by 2 over 10. And once we divide i-fraction iba ngaphansi kuka-1, ileyo fraction kumele siyi-invert. Then i-answer yethu iba ngubani? We invert iba ngu-10 over 2. And what is 10 over 2? 10 over 2 is 5. Now le calculator u1 divided by 0.2 yahle kunike u5. Zikhona indlela eziningi ezokwenza lokhu. You will get the one that you think is comfortable with you, especially calculator. So reciprocal of 2 over 3, njoba sesikwazi, we just invert that fraction yana izaba ngu-3 over 2. Lokhu ngizakuphinda njalo ngibona sakufunda form 1 form 2 or grade 8 or grade 9 depending to kuliphi ilizwe. So reciprocal of le mixed number 1 and 2/3, we need to convert mixed number le siyichinje ibe improper fraction. Ingaba improper fraction then sesiyi-invert le sizazenzela, and then i-answer you will get it. I think it's straightforward le ansoze ngiyiqedise i-question yangu. Siyabonga.